Thought I'd do a short bit here on cleaning the pilot jets out of the new Premier carburetors. Let me show you what I do. I'll try to keep the audio up so you can hear it. These are removable on the new Premiers, which is wonderful. And you can use a standard probe for cleaning the jets. This is one that I get at Lowbrow Customs. They sell these. Has a little drill bit on it. And you can use that for cleaning it out and get it nice and clean. And then I like to blow some cleaner through them. So what I do is I use a rubber tip and put it on there like that. Then that goes on the CRC carb cleaner, not the 50 state version, the 49 state version. The 50 state version, not so good. 49 state version, wonderful stuff. Okay, put that on. Now if I just hit the button, it'll blow that thing halfway across the room. But if you hold it in place so that you can see it, let me make sure I can see this. Yep, good, I can see it. You can watch the cleaner come out. You have to hold it on. Okay, so it even blew it out there. But you could see the cleaner come flying out of the side holes. I wish it was more traditional with a hole all the way through, but they couldn't do that way. So anyway, that's how I clean these. And make sure they're in good shape. So anyway, the carb is here, all disassembled. I'm going to put it together later in the day. Right now I have to go do a Costco run. Getting a little low on victuals. And my lady friend wants to go to Costco. Ergo, ipso facto, I get to go to Costco. So I'll pick this up later. Well, I just put the carbs back on the bike. This is a cold start. The bike hadn't been started since I took the carbs off and cleaned them and put them back on. So let's go do a cold start and see what happens. Want to be fun? Okay, got a good tickle. Good snap. Key on. And, oh me, never mind. Fuse is out. Here's the fuse. I always take the fuse out. And then I hide it. There it is. All right, fuse is in. Key is on. Lights are not great. Let's see if it'll fire. Not bad. Tickle, tickle, tickle. I think that sounds great. Got a good idle both sides. Sounds good, easy start. I'll have Kevin do a test ride and we'll give it back. Ready for a test ride?